Good morning, everyone. Today is March 9th, 2015, and welcome to our live Forex scalping session for today. Of course, before we get started, please note and read the disclaimer that you're seeing on your screen. So again, guys, I'm narrating the trades that one of our students took live today using the HyperFX strategy. The first trade that you're looking at on your chart is the euro-dollar trade. All four trades that he took today were all successful. So overall, he managed to take 2% in profits for just today. So he's pretty much on track with what he wanted to do with this account. Tomorrow marks exactly a month since he's been trading live on his $10,000 account. And we're going to show you his closing balance at the end of the video. Also, guys, tune into our videos that are posted every single day by our technical analyst, where he talks about one of the key concepts that are crucial in understanding how to trade the Forex market, as well how to use Renko Bars and enter trades and exit trades. So definitely tune into that. Great information. We also use that setup a lot to trade as well, along with one of our other setups. So talking a little bit to you about Renko Bars and the HyperFX strategy and why we use Renko Bars. So while the trades are running, so most people trade candlesticks to identify trading opportunities. We use Renko Bars, which removes a lot of the clutter and a lot of the noise in the market, and it makes trading much easier. So we can look at a chart and spot high probability turning points and enter a particular trade, whether it's a buy or a sell. So when we're scalping the market, what we're concerned about is the price action and what the market is doing at that moment. So we don't have a lot of indicators that we use aside from what the HyperFX strategy is and what the setup is, because a lot of indicators are lagging and they really don't tell you what's going to happen or what's happening at the moment. They're a result of what happened in the past, and that's not something we use to predict what's going to happen in the future or what's going to happen as you trade. So like I said, we don't use a lot of indicators. The HyperFX strategy is set up so that the setup can spot high probability turning points and allow us to enter a particular trade when it's best time to enter that particular trade, and then of course exit that trade once we've reached our profit target. The third trade you guys are seeing on your screen, again, I believe this is a euro-dollar trade as well. Overall, like I mentioned earlier, he took over 2% in profits, so super excited about that, and the fact that he's making consistent amount of profits every single day. So HyperFX strategy I've mentioned to you before. The core strategy, which we use a lot to place most of our live trades, will be shared in our workshop. And for those of you who are not able to attend our workshop, of course it's going to be shared on our online modular system, which you will be able to purchase and learn. Just like the workshop, it's going to have the exact same information. So we're going to actually share with you, and you'll have the opportunity to learn exactly what the HyperFX system and the strategy is, and why we're getting consistent results and consistent successful trades. I always say this, when I look at a chart, I trade with confidence rather than with my emotions and panicking, not knowing what I'm going to do at that particular moment. So that's where the system really comes in. All of that noise is taken out. And I have that confidence when I trade, therefore knowing that that particular trade is going to actually be in profit. And then we have set rules that we follow as well, that goes along with trading. So trading is not simply you just entering a trade and exiting a trade. It's really you consistently trading, but you also following the rules that we have set up in the HyperFX strategy, which makes the whole system profitable. Coming back to your screen, guys, you're looking at the last trade for the day. Again, it was a slow day. It's a Monday, so not too much going on in the market, but he was still able to take the 4 trades, and all of them were profitable. We'll zoom in at the end on his closing balance as well. So as I mentioned, guys, our workshop is coming up at the end of March. If you guys have any questions, comments, please comment on our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, we urge you to do that as well. Great videos also by our analysts, which you can tune into as well. We also have a Facebook page, HyperFX, so please like us on that page. And then again, if you are interested in the workshop or even the online modular system, which will be coming out soon as well, probably within the next month or so. So definitely get in touch with us for that. There we go, guys. We're just about to close that trade. There it goes. And then we're going to zoom into his closing balance so you can see that. And there it is. So as you can see, this is the result of just a month of work, guys. He's managed over $4,200 on a $10,000 account. It really speaks for itself. So, you know, there's not much more I can say. This is it for me, guys. I will be back tomorrow with more live trades. Until then, happy trading.